Hi everyone, this is going to be a short video. I just wanted to show you my two gyroids. I 3D printed them about a week ago. Sadly, the corners of the cube broke off. Anyways, one of the reasons I love this surface so much is because of how it can be used to construct a hexastix. I made a hexastix here. I also made a bigger one in OpenSCAD. What I find really exciting about the hexastix is that you could, in theory, use it to represent 4D geometry in 3D space. As you can see, the hexastix has 4 axes. All you have to do is plot the points on the corresponding axis. Now, this idea has been stuck in my head for more than a year now. I'm still trying to figure out how I can implement such a system. Trouble is that I don't know if I should write a program from scratch or use an existing program. Coding something from scratch takes very long, and using an existing program may not even be possible. In short, I don't know. I hope you found my ramblings interesting though. And until next time.